Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix slow Google Chrome. So let's open up Google Chrome, press these three little dots in the top right hand corner, come down to extensions and then manage extensions. Now look in this page for any extensions you may not have installed. So let's say we didn't install this, you want to tab it off like that and then start to use Google Chrome, and if it speeds back up, what you want to do is remove this extension by selecting remove, and if it has been causing issues I would select report abuse. This will tell Google this extension is causing you problems. So once you've tried that, and if that doesn't work, come back up to the three dots and then now come all the way down to the settings. Then select reset settings, and this will have one tab, restore settings to their original default. It'll tell you a little bit what this does here. It basically puts everything back to factory default, and then you want to select reset settings if you're happy with everything. This basically reinstalls or puts everything back to factory settings on Chrome, so it should iron out any little errors that you've caused maybe by turning something on that you've not realized. So this should fix a slow Google Chrome. Let us know in the comments below if it does, or you've tried something else which has worked. I'm sure others will find it useful. So hopefully that's how to fix a slow Google Chrome. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.